welcome back to the channel, guys. And today it's 15/5/2020 and we are heading towards Bangalore. That is in lockdown. We are going towards Bangalore. We have taken all the permission letters from Tahsildar of the town, and we are going to Bangalore in order to surprise you people. So I think if you have seen my previous vlogs, you know him, right? Melvin Roy again, bro cut. Check my vlogs, older vlogs, it will be in the description above. I've put it in the I button. And there is my wife again with a new haircut. We're going to Rajajinagar. The reason is that you'll find out when we reach that point. We are in Bangalore and we'll be going to my sister's home and we'll have our lunch and we'll head back towards some important place. Please do wait. What is the surprise? Right now we are at Royal Enfield showroom, HSR, that is at Rajkumar Road in Bangalore, and it's opposite Navarang, and we are right now buying none other than Royal Enfield. Just check out which bike is that. Give me a few seconds, I'll put it on my video itself. Just watch it there. It is none other than Royal Enfield. Check out the bike. Yes, and one more thing I just need to tell. On buying it before, like if you buy it on or before 31st of May 2020, you will get an offer of 10,000 rupees on buying an apparel and all. It's not an offer, it is for free of cost. I just took the jacket which I wore and I took a t-shirt. Okay, I'm checking out with that. I'll check. There was a small confusion here. They just told me you can buy worth of 6,200 rupees, and you have an extended warranty of almost 3,800 rupees or something like that. And I can buy apparel of 6,200 rupees. So what I basically got was a jacket and a t-shirt, but it is 100 rupees more. So what they are just telling me is they are asking me to buy under 1,800 rupees, which is the balance. I should buy inside 1,800 rupees itself. Let's check which thing would suit me better. Dude, that's my new Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 variant. And that's the helmet for us.
ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎನ್ಕೋಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಇದು ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್.
ಓಕೆ
ಮೀಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವೈಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರೆಂಜ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದಾ
ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ವೈಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು
ಸರಿ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ತದು ಹಂಗೆ ಹತ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್
ಸೇಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿ ಥರ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ಇಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಂ
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಇಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಐತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಇದನಾ
ಹತ್ತು
ಒತ್ತುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೋಗು.
ಬಿಚ್ಚಿಬಿಡು
ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ರೆಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹಾಂ ಕೀ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾ. This is Manjushri ma'am, this is from HSR Royal Enfield. Do contacted, even I have not seen her face, she has not seen me, and I have just sent her the payment online and she has done everything for me. That is the best part here. I'm happy with Royal Enfield over in Bangalore, really happy. I don't know about Tumkur, but they have done the best job. I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
And do remember that they have given me an offer of 10,000 rupees, that is for apparels and accessories. They've given me 10,000 rupees, so that is something around 3,600 rupees. 700 extended warranty they have given, and remaining for the balance amount which is there, they've given me a jacket and this gloves. That is really awesome from Royal Enfield.
Jacket.
Yeah, jacket also. I'll bring the jacket.
Actually, that suits this color.
Hello.
It's a Facebook live hoguttadna?
It's a YouTube channel. YouTube channel. So this is the rack jacket I've got from Royal Enfield. I was expecting this color and the same color gloves as well. Thank you so much. And one more thing I need to tell, she just gave me the bike within 2 days. I sent the cash on Thursday night, I think so, and Wednesday night, and I just got the vehicle on Friday morning. It's Friday afternoon. That was the best part. Excited to drive my vehicle. Keep it on. What happened to my GoPro? It suddenly got switched off. So now we are at the fuel station right now, and I'm filling the fuel. I don't know where to go. I was wondering where to get the fuel now. So now we are at this Varadaraja station where we had got a coupon to get the fuel filled. Feeling nice, but I'm getting a lot of heating issues here. I don't know for what reason this kind of heat we have here.
ಸಾಕಾ?
ಸಾಕು 11:30 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. So we'll start the bike now again and we'll leave to Tumkur now.